Okay, so welcome back, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. So, yes, we left off. We finished up our last transaction on the 17th, and we're still on page General Journal number 6. We still have room for a couple more transactions. So, yeah, let's go ahead and see where we left off. So, here we left off on here we left off on June 18th. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay. So what happened on June 18th?
I received from Atlas Coffee invoice number 320, 120 pounds of regular coffee at $1.36 per pound to come out to 170. And you received 125 pounds of Supreme Coffee, $1.57 per pound. It comes out to 196.25 for a total of 366.25.
Mhm.
The terms 1%, 15 net 30.
Okay. So what do you want to do first?
Oh, first we have to go to the purchase order,
Yes.
right?
Mm-hmm.
We received an order for okay. We just have it doesn't say which purchase order it is, so we just have the same thing for two orders.
Look at the estimated amount. Which one matches?
Okay, the last one.
Okay.
Okay.
We never received that coffee?
Ah,
We
oh,
did.
We
that's what
did.
I
We
marked off.
we just didn't get billed yet till now.
Hold on. Let me look at the purchase
That's why
orders.
it's
No, because we already received the coffee. Did I not record it? We received the first batch in the beginning. That's why we have coffee in our inventory as of today. So I think we did this. We got it on the 11th, if I'm not mistaken. Let's go ahead and scroll up and see because we did receive our coffee, the first one.
I thought we did receive it.
We
We
did
just
receive
never
it.
start selling anything without it.
Exactly. So we did receive it. I'll just have to go double check what that is. So I'll go back and update that during the break. So this one we received on the 18th is going to be for the second one.
Okay, and then General Journal stating we received it,
Hmm.
right?
Okay. How do you journalize that we received this inventory?
Wait a minute, weren't we just okay? We're not in purchase order anymore.
No, I already validated it. We wrote down that we received it for the
Oh,
three
okay.
for the
I
320.
must have been looking down when you did that. Okay. So now we're in the journal.
All right, we're in the journal.
Um, should be June, right? Are we in June?
Oh, I must have tapped the 3, not the 6.
Okay. Um, okay. So we need to what is it? Accounts payable. Says it's a bill.
What date are we on, the 18th? Yes,
Yeah.
but where does that go?
In the debit.
Are we paying the bill or are we?
Oh, wait a minute. We're receiving.
Mhm.
Okay.
I know we're receiving product.
Yeah, we're not
Yes.
paying it, yeah, we just, no, what we're receiving the invoice,
Correct.
the bill, so we're not paying, we got terms there,
Yes.
okay. So, from, Atlas Coffee Importers,
Okay.
accounts payable will be the credit side.
Yes.
And we have to have regular coffee for the debit side.
Yes, because that's what we bought. That's our inventory.
Oh, we got regular and Supreme, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, we need to recognize that we received those items.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so regular coffee is 12,020. Supreme coffee is 12,040, and accounts payable is 20,000. From reflecting from above information.
Okay.
Okay. So how much did we receive?
125 pounds each.
What's the rule when we're journalizing? Can you record 125?
No.
No, the price, in dollars, 170 is the regular coffee,
Yeah.
and 196.25 is the Supreme.
Okay.
Accounts payable, 366.25.
366.25. Okay. And what's our description for this one?
Received received shipment of coffee.
Invoice 320,
Who's the vendor?
Atlas Coffee.
Atlas
Import,
Coffee.
Okay. Invoice.
320. And then, the terms, 1%, 15, net 30.
Okay, perfect. All right. Anything
Next
else?
is your general ledger.
Yep.
No.
Okay, so general ledger. What are we doing in our general ledger?
David, are you continuing on this? Okay, ledger to assets through,
To where?
Okay. Page 6.
well, do we go to accounts payable already, or is there something before that?
You can go to accounts
That's regular
payable.
coffee.
Okay, so accounts payable,
You gotta stay in order. You gotta do regular coffee first, right?
That's recommended.
Okay. Did we go to the, where'd you go, Lee?
well, I'm coming back.
Okay.
Let's go to regular coffee then, to our assets, regular coffee.
Okay. Page 6.
Oopsies.
6?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so. Okay, she's already got 125 pounds. GJ 6. Yeah.
Yes.
GJ 6. 2020 under debit.
What's 12020?
100 and oh, I'm sorry, I got the no, that's the account number. 170 $170 is what we need to put there.
Debit or credit?
Yeah. Debit. Okay, so we put in debit on the journal,
Journal.
Perfect. Good.
and for a total of 350.
Yes.
And then we want to go to Supreme Coffee, which is on page 8. £125. Jesus.
Okay, so debit 196.25.
25.
Total is 393.05.
390 what?
I had 393.
Nine subtract 6 is definitely not 3. Actually, wait. Yeah, it is. What? What did I type in? 399. How did? 399 minus 6 is equal to 3. So, whoa. I don't know what happened here. Let me refresh my formula.
Because my calculator said 393.
393.05.
Uh-huh.
It's 196.25.
193. That's 193.25. 393.05. The total.
Is it 193 or 196?
193. Oh, I'm sorry. It's 196.
Yeah, I thought it was 196.25.
196.25 is correct. Okay.
That's what the $3 difference was.
Yeah, but when I still type it in, I'm still showing.
Oh, you're correct.
No, your formula's right. Data was off by $3 because
Yeah,
the amount of
'cause I
the
put,
debit was off by $3. He had 25 instead of 196.25. So you're correct, Lynn. Right? Hello?
Yes, I'm looking.
Oh, okay. No, I thought maybe I went. I got
I'm wrong.
dropped or something.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm subtracting. Okay. We're supposed to add. Okay, yeah, 9 plus 6, right? And we're gonna carry the 1 over. Okay. All right.
199.80
Mhm. Okay, so
plus 196.25.
should
Yeah,
be.
you're right. 396.05.
Yep. Okay. 396.05.
Okay.
Just I was subtracting in my head. Okay, so it is 396.05.
Yeah.
And then now where we go?
Next, we go to accounts payable.
Okay.
Uh, 618. Invoice number 320. Post reference is G6. Credit for $366.25.
25. All right, and what do you get?
173, 132.65.
Yes. Good. Okay, what do you do next?
You gotta go to your subsidiary account.
Okay, vendors to
Atlas Coffee.
Atlas.
We're on page 3.
Okay, so 18 June,
Purchase.
1%, 15, net 30.
Yes.
So 15 days from the 8th is June 23rd. So 1%, 15, net 30, 23 June.
23 of June.
Oh, wait a minute.
I know.
That's for the
23 of
discount.
July.
No, the 30th. So the 18th, June 30, June 18, July 18. Oh my gosh.
First off, let's figure out what the discount period is, okay?
The discount is, would be 23rd of June.
You sure about that?
No, I'm not. 18.
I'm just like waiting. 23rd is not right.
Oh, okay. No, I'm thinking it's June 8th, but it's June 18th.
Uh-huh.
So, 15 plus that's 23. There are 30 days in June, so July 3rd.
Yes, so 030 July. All right, invoice number. Okay, so I did have the invoice numbers 315.
Yeah. 6.
Uh-huh.
Date due is July 18th. I have
Oopsies.
such a hard time with the dates for some reason. Okay.
No, that's fine.
Should be July 18, right?
Oopsies, yeah, you're right. July 18.
I told you I'm easily confused on the dates, so.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Hold on.
Invoice
You want
amount. Invoice amount?
366.50.
20. I think it's no,
625.
it's not 25. And did we pay it yet?
No, not yet.
No, not yet. So that means if you did the formula correct, you should owe another $366.25. So therefore, grand total you owe $728 to all Atlas Coffee. Okay.
Okay.
Well, that should be it for that, right?
What kind of inventory is this?
A purchase. Regular coffee.
What tracking method are you using?
Well, this one's moving.
That's costing method.
Okay, hang on. Is it?
Perpetual.
Mm-hmm.
Perpetual and Because I assume it's gonna be stay the same. So
What does perpetual mean?
It means we have to update it every time.
Correct.
yeah.
So,
So
Okay,
at
is
618,
I'm looking under my,
125 pounds.
where are you, David?
are you in the
I'm at
inventory?
the inventory sheets.
Perfect. Yes, you need to update the
Under
inventory
the
worksheet. Okay. Make sure you mention it because you're not the only one working on this, David. You guys have to work on it as
Oh, I'm
class.
sorry. I thought we already did mention it. I'm sorry.
Okay, so 18 of June. What happened?
Purchase 25 pounds
Uh-huh.
coffee.
Okay. How do you solve for the purchase price or purchase expense?
So 125 times 136.
Uh-huh.
170.
Perfect. All right. We haven't incurred freight yet, so we're gonna leave that for now.
Okay.
Okay. So let's go ahead and update the other one.
We updated Supreme, which is a couple pages over.
Okay. How much Supreme coffee did you
125
buy?
pounds.
125 pounds.
125 pounds.
And I believe this was $1.57.
Yes.
Okay. So how do you solve for the purchase expense here?
Well, it's
Times
196.25.
196.25.
Yep. 196.25. Okay.
Okay.
All right. All right. What happened next? Or what?
We go to a new day.
Yep.
A new transaction.
Uh-huh.
We got delivery from Freight-Line.
Okay.
Delivery from Atlas Coffee.
Uh-huh.
Invoice number 516.
Okay.
Amount due is 64.50.
Uh,
TOD
Okay.
and check.
All right.
So 1518.
Okay.
First, I want to go.
Should go to check register.
Okay, go ahead, check register.
For
5450.
64.50. Back to Freight-Line.
Okay.
Okay. And then we want to go to our journal.
Okay.
And we want to
So accounts payable.
It says okay. No. No accounts payable. What is the key word that is on this bill?
Freight expense.
Okay, no.
Right?
That's the company, Freight-Line.
Freight-Line.
What kind of shipping method did they use?
TOD.
COD. What does COD stand for?
Cash on
Cash on
delivery.
delivery.
Correct. So why did we write a check to Freight-Line?
For the freight.
Okay. What kind of inventory tracking method are we using?
Perpetual.
Right. So what happens to perpetual?
It
all,
goes into the inventory,
Correct.
freight line, the delivery.
Uh-huh. So how are we splitting this freight? And how did we pay for this freight?
Well, we're writing a check.
Correct.
the accounts payable.
No, that's owing money.
Okay, so checking 1518.
So checking. We already wrote the check, so at least we know that for 1518.
Okay, then we get a split between the two coffees, right?
Correct. So
So regular coffee
yes.
and supreme coffee.
Yes.
Do we divide it in half because it's the same weight?
Correct.
That'd be 32.25 each.
32.25 each. Gives me a grand total of 64.50. Perfect. All right. And what does my message say down here? Or what's my description?
COD,
Who is the vendor?
freight line COD.
Okay. What's
Invoice number 516.
okay? And what was our check number?
1518.
Yeah, 15.18.
Okay. All right. Now what?
And next we go to our ledger.
Yep.
Right?
For this one, let me see. Let me go ahead and see worth. Let me just check something real quick. Okay, so let's go ahead and proceed to the ledger.
Okay.
So-
Ledger.
Where do you need to go?
To
Checking.
one.
Checking.
Well, I guess we should go in order and go to regular coffee first.
Okay.
Okay. Page 6.
All right. What are we gonna write in regular coffee?
Page 6. That'd be freight. Freight charge or freight.
Right?
32.25. Debit. And that's 315 plus 32.
Okay. So what's my new balance now?
382.25.
382.25. Okay.
And then go to Supreme and do the same thing.
All right. And what's my new balance in my Supreme coffee?
428.30.
428.30.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we went to uh, go to a checking, which is on page 1.
Okay.
And
Oh, I guess we should have done that first because that came before the. Oh well.
no, that was on the last one.
Okay.
River Supreme checking. And we go to check
Check 1518.
1518. General Terminal 6. And 64 150
On which side?
credit.
Credit says 64.50. So that gives us a new balance of what?
44.27 308.77.
308.77 on the negative side. Yes.
Yes.
So therefore, we owe more money. 308.77.
And we're still in the negative.
Right? But remember, there's no such thing as negatives in a ledger. So make sure that you put it on the credit side.
Yeah.
Okay, but for I'm just going to keep it like this so that I can see it, but my formula has not changed because I normally have a debit balance. But here I see that I have currently a negative. I owe $308. Okay.
And we go to subsidiary ledger.
Okay.
And
Oopsies, wrong one.
check number 11518 in the notes. Invoice is post reference is G4 or G6.
Oopsies.
And for the amount of 42.50.
What was the invoice number?
We didn't have one.
There is one.
Yeah, there is 516.
Okay.
Oh, 516, okay. General Journal 6. Invoice amount is 64.50. We wrote them a check,
So payment.
so we don't owe them anything.
64.50. Should be zero payable.
Yep.
Yes.
So let me go ahead and validate this formula. So I got 0 here, so okay.
We're on a new page of the journal.
What else do we need to do before that?
Yeah, I don't think we're done.
You don't think you're done?
I don't think we're done yet.
Okay.
I thought we were. Inventory. We finally know the freight.
Yep.
Yeah, we have to go update our inventory because it's perpetual tracking.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
So a regular coffee then. We put in
25.
So how do I find my total cost?
Uh, 225.
Yes, 202.25. And how do I move forward from here? Do I
Divide
find
125, that is 1.6.
what method are we using when we're dealing with this one?
So moving average.
Okay.
Move average.
Okay, so the total, what is the total here? Inventory on hand,
Uh-huh.
we had to add
Uh-huh.
one, let me see,
Uh-huh.
202.25
125 and
We have to add
you gotta add
202.25 to what?
to 180.
Okay.
237.50.
I guess I should go in order. The quantity, we need to add 125 pounds to that 112.50.
Okay. Good.
Okay, so now we divide 382.25 by 237.50. Okay, so now our average has changed by 1 penny.
It's probably more than that, but on my screen it shows as 2 decimal points. But if I open it up, it's a lot bigger than that.
Oh,
Hey, isn't it 1.618?
Oopsie, wrong way. Oopsies, too many. Yeah. Okay. But we're choosing to round at the end, right? Not round right now.
Yes.
Okay.
right.
All right.
And we want to update the spring coffee.
Okay. So what's the total here?
At 196.25 plus 32.50. 32. Okay, 228.75.
75. Where do you get 75?
I know that.
I do.
No, should be 50. I punched wrong.
Okay.
Okay. Then 111 plus 125 for a total of 26.
David, let's take stop there.
Yes, ma'am.
What costing method are we using for this one?
First in, first out.
So do we need to add all of them together?
No.
No.
So it'd be 25.
Huh?
Okay, 228.5 divided by 196.25.
Where are you getting the 196.25 from?
Oh, wrong, wrong, wrong
120 by
column.
125
Okay.
equals 1.828. 1.828, right?
Yep.
Yeah, that's it.
And for inventory on hand, we just 125, 1.828. And you want the total be 228 1.50.
Okay.
Okay, that's it for that.
Okay.
Update inventory. Okay, that should be it on that one, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so the next. Okay, Alton Ceramic. Okay, so purchase order. Right, we have to go to purchase order.
Okay.
Now,
Numbers 170308. Okay, so it's a new. Okay, we're ordering 80 ceramic coffee mugs at $246 each. Total cost $196.80 from All Things Ceramic.
Okay.
Okay, estimated amount is $196.80.
196.80.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect.
No invoice yet.
Yes. Good.
and that's all we do for that one because it.
Yeah,
just
nothing
turned in
else
the
has
price.
happened.
Good.
Okay, now Albert, our subcontractor,
Correct.
submits an order for the corner bookstore.
Okay.
Okay, well, it's just an order, so
Okay.
You just have to record it
Oh,
on,
wait.
uh,
on his worksheet,
on
right?
his sheet payroll.
It's up to you. You have the choice. Do you want to fill that information in, or do you want to just wait until he sends out the invoice to fill it in?
Yeah, because nothing's really happened. He just submits an order.
Perfect.
Oh, we already did it. Recorded it for the last time. And,
No, he
don't
had
we
a
have-
Katie's. No, that's something different. That's different. That's Katie's something or other.
Yes. And when
I know
is
when
that one due?
I don't think we do anything with this order.
Okay.
Do you agree, David?
Well, seeing how we did his first one, don't we have to continue doing it? And seeing how we did it before, we don't stop. The last one you did like this
How many days we got?
for 219 on the in the payroll. Yeah, do you understand what I'm trying to say, Lynn?
Yeah. It's up to you. Do you want to keep track of it so then it ensures that he does it right and the purchase order matches the invoice? If not,
See how we already started. We did the first one like that.
yeah. I mean, that's what I suggested you to do. But do you want to do it? You don't have to, because when do you really record it?
When the order's full.
Yep.
But we did the first one.
We only recorded the first purchase order.
Yeah. Don't we have to record this one? See how we started doing it? Keep doing it.
It's up to you. This is, remember, you guys are telling me what to do.
David wants to do it. See, I didn't have anything on his sheet on mine, so I missed it.
Okay.
So we'll just do it the way David wants to do it and record them.
Okay. So,
Okay.
who's our customer?
Albert Lynn.
No,
Who's
the
our
customer,
customer?
Corner Bookstore.
The corner bookstore.
Corner bookstore.
Good. All right. What invoice number is this?
102.
102. How much is he purchasing from us?
127.75.
127.75. All right. All right. That will ensure that he turned in the purchase order, and if anything goes wrong, whether he can't, the customer cancels the purchase order, at least we have a reference point to look and make sure that we cancel it. Or let's say he stops, he says, "Oh, I don't need the coffee mugs anymore." At least we could go back and revise it. Okay? So, whether David is right on doing it, you're fine not recording it at all either. But again, this is based on Albert. It's Albert's responsibility to make sure he records his sale because ultimately he's getting paid off of these people. But for our purposes, yes, we should record it because, however, that's also our sales that we're also gaining or losing. But ultimately, Albert is responsible to take care of these people.
Okay.
All right. So there is no right or wrong answer. You can do it. You don't have to do it. It's just a way for us to measure in case a customer decides to cancel or doesn't need something anymore. We can always revise and make changes to the invoice or the purchase order, whatever you want to call it. All right. What is next? Okay, hold on. Let me find my mouse.
New transaction. 618.
Okay.
We just sent a purchase order in.
Okay.
Atlas copy. So we'll get a purchase order out. And 1700309. To Atlas.
Okay.
For 250 pounds of coffee again. And it's gonna cost us $370. And that's all we do for that.
Okay.
Because it hasn't come in yet or anything, so we just go down to the next scenario or next transaction.
Okay. So,
On the new page 7, right?
yes. But what do you need to do first? What do you need to do first? Because that looks like enough space to squeeze in an extra transaction.
Okay, I do have a little space.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we sold. Am I on the right page? Yeah.
Yes, you are.
Okay. It just looks, it's like, okay, we sold another 14 pounds of Supreme. That looks,
Oh, okay. No. We're not there yet. You scrolled a little up. I mean, you scrolled down a little too much. We're at the daily sales. Yep, grand opening.
okay, daily sales, regular coffee. 20, oh, okay, so we sold medium coffee,
Okay, hold on. What's the date?
18 June.
Okay.
18 June. Okay, so regular sales,
Okay.
sales medium coffee,
Where are you putting this?
Checking.
Okay, hold on. First things first. Where are you putting everything?
live checking.
That
What are you? What? Okay, so you had a sale. What are you
Okay,
receiving?
this, I think it's cash.
Cash.
Right? Yeah,
Yes.
all cash sales to bank, okay.
So what accounts are you doing and what side are you doing?
checking.
Checking, and that's going to be a what? What kind of balance are you putting this in? Debit. Okay, so checking goes first. Okay, good.
Okay, then the credit will be medium coffee and large coffee, regular.
Okay.
Oh my God. Okay, regular, medium. Okay, so
I believe it's medium regular coffee.
okay, sales, medium, regular coffee.
Okay.
Okay, and then sales,
Large.
large, regular coffee. And then sales, supreme, medium supreme.
Good.
Sales,
And
medium
then
supreme.
large print.
Yep. Sales large supreme.
And tax.
Is that all that we sold?
No, we also sold ceramic coffee mugs.
Correct.
So ceramic.
Okay.
Is there an account called like that?
It's just copy mugs like that.
It's not coffee mugs.
Well, let me look on the thing. Should be under assets.
No, it's not assets.
Coffee mugs?
You're recording. What are you recording right now?
Sales.
So what kind of account is sales?
Revenue.
It's a revenue.
Okay. Ceramic coffee mugs. Yes. 40150.
Okay, ceramic coffee mugs. Well, what account was it? 4050.
No, 40150.
Okay. What else do we need to include in here?
Okay, so the sales medium regular coffee is 40300.
403
Okay.
400.
No, 40300.
Okay.
Okay, and then large regular.
It's 40350.
350.
And this should be 40450 and 40500. All right. Okay.
Okay, and then and our checking.
Okay.
Now, then you want to go sales tax?
Yes. Where does sales tax go?
And then sales.
Underneath sales.
And then under checking, we should have the discount.
Correct. Sales tax payable. All right. And underneath here is going to be sales discount. Oopsies. Not sake. Sales discount. Okay. And what is the number for sales discount?
46.
46,000. Good. Is it 46,000 or 4600?
Yeah, you're right.
All right.
You're right.
1,000.
And then what is sales tax payable? 27,000. Oopsies.
Oh, there it is.
Okay.
Yeah, we make it 1, 2, 3, or whatever you want.
No, I
Okay,
can't
so
make it
the
1,
sales
2, 3.
discount-
Okay.
Oh, sorry. Sales just, well, okay, checking.
How much are you gonna be?
Checking will be 807.27.
807.27. Oopsie. Yep. 807.27.
The
Discount would be
discount,
186.44.
yep,
Okay.
medium coffee, 161, $161.19.
Okay.
And 230.21.
Okay.
Then 206, 67. 286.18. Ceramic coffee mugs, 41.94. Tax payable, 61.52.
Okay. Let's double check our work here. Why is it giving me a name? Equals sum, parentheses. Okay. Oh, nope, we're off by some money. Okay, so this equal minus this. I am off by $6 somewhere. So let's double check our numbers again.
Yeah, because your regular coffee is 236.21.
Two
230.21.
236.21. There you go.
That's $6, yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Okay? That's it. What's the description?
I'm out of room.
You are?
Oh, wait a minute, you're on page 7 already.
Yeah.
I'm
we're
squeezing
on page
mine
7.
down to 6.
Okay. It's okay. This is practice. Okay. So you can go ahead and cross that out and just go ahead and fill in the rest. Or, yeah, because you have to make sure that when you're doing transactions, it's best that you don't split it and that you keep it all in one page.
Right.
Yeah.
Sale and
I'm going to say in store.
if it's opening.
So in store sales, grand opening. Okay. All right. So what is next?
We have to deposit the cash.
Correct.
So we go to our bank. Let's see.
We got 807.27, I believe. 807.27.
Mm-hmm. so the date was, the 18th June.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're gonna deposit the money.
Right, 807.27.
Perfect.
Okay, so, money's done. I know we have to adjust the inventory, but that's probably later, huh?
That's later, yeah.
Okay. So we go to, um,
Ledger.
that's okay, we're in ledger.
Okay. So what, I want to go do,
Regular coffee,
regular coffee.
Why regular coffee?
That's what we sold. Checking, discount, regular coffee,
Okay.
large, regular coffee, cream, medium, cream, large, Sonic mugs.
Okay. I want you to look at what accounts you have listed. Okay, and that's the accounts that you're updating. So,
First, we'll be checking.
first would be checking.
And, 618 Journal 7. And we want to debit $807.25. And,
All right, so what's my new total now?
we're back on the pass side, 498.48.
498.58. I don't know where you got those cents off.
48.
How'd you get 48 cents?
That I put in 308.77 plus minus 807.25.
Why did you do 25?
That's what my paper says.
How much was the sales that you got? How much was the cash that you
27,
got?
I'm sorry.
There you go.
807.27.
Yes, it's 27.
Then let me do it again. 308.27. 408.50.
Yes.
Passes.
Okay. Good. We're on the positive side again.
Then we want to go to discount.
All right. Where is sales discount?
4,600.
Okay, 18 June. Grand opening, 20%. GJ7. 186.44. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, 186.44.
Okay. So, because we're going to be starting a new balance, what is our new balance in this account?
$359.21.
$358.71.
Oh, okay. Oh. 172. 171.
That is 27.
That's what I got.
27. Okay. 172.27 plus 6.44. 358.47. 358.71. I'm sorry.
Okay.
We want to go to medium coffee, which regular three.
Medium regular coffee.
Okay, where's that page for? Okay, where's that page for? So great. Where's that?
Did you find the page, David?
Um, yeah, it's on the wrong page. 4,300 on page 26.
Okay.
Okay, so post reference is GJ7.
Yes.
And we're crediting 161.19.
Oopsies, I typed in the wrong number. 19. Okay. Which gives us a balance of what?
Okay,
318.40.
318.40.
Yep. Okay, so now we go to the large regular coffee.
Large regular coffee. Okay.
Okay, 18 June. GJ7. Credit 236.21.
236.21.
Now our new normal balance is 445.51.
445.51.
Okay, we go to medium supreme coffee.
Okay.
Right?
Uh-huh.
Yes.
GJ7.
We are, hold on, let me go up. There you go. Medium supreme coffee. Uh-huh.
206.7.
I have 408.36.
408.36. Okay.
Okay, so large supreme coffee. 18 June. GJ7. Credit 286.18.
286.18.
Normal balance 579.34.
Hold on. 9. Say that again.
That's right, 579.34.
All right.
gotta go to ceramic coffee mugs.
Page 25.
25?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay.
It's a grand opening, G7.
Okay, 18 June. GJ7. Credit 41.94.
And that's
Normal
a running
balance
balance of
41.94.
41.94.
Yep.
Perfect.
We got 2700.
So we're gonna go to your sales tax payable.
Sales tax
No,
payable.
yeah, sales tax payable. G7. Paid for 61.52. $118.37.
$118.37 is correct.
Okay.
Oopsies. Whoa, where did my mouse go? Oh, okay. Let's do that again. There you go. All right.
And we want to go to our inventory sheets next.
Okay.
And because we want to record, we sold.
Okay.
We sold regular coffee, 13.5 pounds.
Okay. Where are you now?
Regular coffee on the inventory sheets. Moving average for costing method.
Okay, I thought we were
Cost of goods sold.
analyzing these first. Okay, hang on. Let me get my inventory sheet.
Am I jumping around?
Just a little.
I thought we were journalizing first, but that's okay. I don't know where my inventory sheet went. David, did you take my inventory sheet?
I might have. It might be in a pile.
Alright then. Oh my gosh, it's the one right in front of me. Okay.
Last place you look, huh?
Yeah, it's okay.
So-
So the date would be 18 June,
Okay.
and where's okay, regular coffee was 13.5 pounds.
Yes.
13.5. The cost, what? What?
1.6.
1.6 what?
1.61.
Okay.
Well, 6095. Oh, okay.
So this is where I'm going to use, if you're using Excel, I'm going to go ahead and do equal round to give us a rounded number, okay? But other than that, anywhere you see this, okay, you could still punch in the formula and adjust at the top. But if you round it, it's going to stop it at 2 decimal points. Okay? Just so that we can have a nice number.
21.6. 1.74.
I got 2173.
It's
What-
at
Well, I just rounded.
21.735, so.
Hold on, let me see. Let's
35.
extend it. Okay, so I already rounded my number, so I can't see beyond that. But let me see if I were to just do the regular one. So I get 217279.
I got 20. My calculator says 21.735.
Yeah, me too.
What did you guys punch in on your calculator for the cost per item? Did-
13.5 times 1.61.
So you guys
21,
rounded early.
Well, I just used what you have on the screen.
yeah.
Okay. I took this number right here, my 1.6095.
Okay.
So on here it shows 2 decimal points, but if I were to extend it, again, we're not rounding until the end. We agreed, right? Or no? Or do you want to round down?
Okay, so that's,
Okay.
okay, that explains that. And so 21.73.
Okay.
Yeah. And 1.72. And then you want to update your Supreme Coffee.
Hold on. Let me. Did you guys subtract it from your inventory yet, or did you just left it?
Just left it.
Okay. What's the number one rule when we're doing this? What's the reason why we're doing this?
We got
Perpetual needs to be updated.
Yes, so therefore.
Okay, so we gotta go to inventory on hand column,
Uh-huh.
subtract 13.5 from that.
Yep.
and
it'd be 24.
37.50.
224.
Right. So 382.25 minus 21.73. Okay, so we buy 224.
What? Oh, yes. So, in case you want to see this number, I'm going to go ahead and extend it to
609, which is 1.61.
yes, that's rounding, but I'm gonna go ahead and okay, and then I'm gonna apply this formula all the way down, just so we have this already there. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and cross this one out since we don't have this inventory anymore. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Now where do we go?
Go to the large coffee.
Wait, what?
Large coffee.
What large coffee?
Supreme Coffee.
Supreme coffee.
Yeah. We need the scenario.
So how much Supreme coffee did you sell?
14.
14 pounds.
Yes.
All right.
Down at 1.82.
Okay. Why can we not use 1.82?
8.
David, why can I not use 1.82?
This is
Uh,
FIFO.
This is Dutch. This is FIFO.
Okay, so
Sad, so we're still working on 1.8.
yes. And so how much do I get?
25.20.
Another 25.20.
And we want three of them at 8.28, right?
Why do we want 3 of them at 1.28?
3 of what?
Those,
I have no idea. That's why I'm asking.
Okay.
Where are you getting this 3 from?
We have to take 14 pounds out of the first one in, which was on
Yeah.
June 12th. So 14 pounds from 111.
You have enough to cover. I don't know why you're taking the 3 from this one. I don't know what you're talking about.
because I
Say that again, David.
wasn't thinking right.
Okay. So, how do I adjust this?
4 left in that batch.
How much?
97.
Left.
97 left.
Minus 14?
11 minus 14 should be 97.
Correct. And you should have 174.60 left. Okay.
Okay, so then we go to ceramic mugs.
What kind of inventory is ceramic mugs?
Weighted average. Periodic.
Periodic. So when do we calculate the end?
Oh, we don't have to do that right now.
Correct.
Okay. Never mind.
Okay.
But don't we have to record something in there?
Why? What's the rule about periodic?
Because we sold 6.
What is the number 1 rule when we're looking at? I'm sorry, the second rule in periodic.
Yeah, we do it at the end of the period.
Exactly. So, every sale that we make, do we care about it?
No, that would be perpetual.
Correct.
No?
So no. So let's go ahead and finish and journal this up and take a quick break. So,
Okay.
all right. So how do you journalize this?
Let's see what we are doing here.
6.
18 June.
Okay.
Okay, well, what do we just do?
What did we calculate?
We just calculated the inventory.
All right, let's look at the inventory worksheet one more time. What column did you do? Let me go to the correct one. What column did you calculate?
Cost of goods sold.
Okay.
COGS, regular coffee.
Debit or credit?
Oh, shoot. Okay, so cost of goods is a revenue.
Cost of goods sold is not a revenue.
Oh, no. It's an expense.
Correct.
Okay, so cost of goods sold, regular coffee, that would be, so it would be debit.
Correct. So cost of goods sold, regular coffee. And if there's a regular coffee, what else do we need to also Do.
Passive is Supreme.
That's correct. Supreme. Okay. Okay.
And then check.
Why checking?
No, I'm sorry. Accounts payable.
Why are we owing?
Yeah, we're receiving.
We're not receiving.
Receive.
We sold something. What did you do in inventory?
Decreased it.
What was that?
Decreased it.
Yes, you decreased it. So how do you decrease an asset? What?
Debit balance.
Okay, an asset has a debit balance. Okay, so how do you decrease an asset?
With the credit.
With a credit. Okay, good. What account are you going to credit out of? What are you taking out of if you sold something from inventory?
Inventory.
Inventory. So what are the inventories?
Regular coffee
Regular coffee
and Supreme coffee.
and Supreme coffee. Right. That's exactly what we just did in the inventory worksheet. We subtracted from inventory, right?
Right.
That applies the same way here when we journalize. We calculated the cost of goods sold and we took it out of inventory. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to reflect that exact concept on here.
Okay.
Okay? So how much did you calculate when you sold from the regular coffee?
Uh,
21.75.
2075 or
74.
yes.
I got 2173.
Oh, that's right, because, okay, I
Yeah.
didn't change my thing.
Okay.
73.
All right, so 2173.
Mm-hmm.
Where is my journal? Okay.
21.73. Okay, the Supreme. 25.20.
All right. And whatever we sold, was the exact we took out. 20. Okay. So all right.
And description.
I'm gonna say in-store use, okay?
Internal.
In-store use.
Yep. Because that's how much we used to sell the coffees, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, okay. Lastly, let's go ahead and you could either do this during the break, but I'm gonna go ahead and update my ledger. But you guys are more than welcome to take a break and come back at 3:15. It's 3 o'clock right now.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
So I'm gonna go ahead and go to my ledger and I'm gonna record this in here. So first off, I have my cost of goods sold. So I'm gonna go to my cost of goods sold. And I have cost of goods sold.
Oh, I thought we did all that.
Oh, not for this transaction.
No, not this transaction, but you guys, I want you guys to be on a break. So
Okay.
I'm just going to fill this in for now. All right, actually, why don't we do this now, and then I'll time it from there, and we'll take a break after. How about that? Because I don't want to come back and you guys haven't done it yet. So if you have done it, go ahead. If you haven't, then that's fine. I can wait for you guys. We sold 21.73. All right. Okay.
This is messed up. I don't even drink coffee.
General journal number 7. We're on 7, and we sold the same amount, 25.20. So therefore, we should have 50.40 as our new balance. I went down too far. Okay. And then we gotta update our assets. All right.